Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's look. I feel like I always start my videos saying that, but I really am excited about every single look, but I'm really excited about this look. I really wanted to do a pastel look, but kind of spice it up a little bit, and the weather is getting so nice here, so this look is really giving me that spring summer vibe. I am loving it. I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer in white. Using the Sigma Line Perfector E68 brush, I'm going to create the shape of my shadow. And then just packing on that primer onto my lid with my finger. And then you can perfect the edges by applying it with your brush. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles palette. I'm going into Abercrombie. With my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to start packing the shadow over top of the primer and just keeping it on the outer half. I'm now picking up 90210. I'm now applying the shadow in the inner part of my lid. And then just swiping back and forth where the shadows are going to meet to help blend it out. Now picking up the Abby. Now to just brighten up the inner part of my lid, I'm just packing this white shadow over top. I'm going into the Lime Crime Venus liner in Wisteria. I'm really mad right now. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I'm just going in with this liner and basically just outlining the outer edge of the entire eyeshadow shape. And just stopping it right there. Now going into the Hills. Now highlighting my inner corner. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Tatti lashes in TL21. And that's the eye look done. Let's do my lips. I'm going to go into the MAC Edge to Edge lip pencil, something nice and soft and pink. I am obsessed with my eyes, so I want to keep my lips a little more soft, but still have a nice pink and a bit of a twist. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to line and fill in my lips with this pencil. And now to spice up the lips a little bit, I'm going to apply a gloss, and this gloss is to die for. It is so beautiful. This is the Milani Ludicrous Lights Lip Gloss in Peachella. It is so pretty and has so many beautiful pink reflects in it. So I'm going to apply this over top. I wanted to make the lips glossy and have a nice pink reflect and keep the eyes matte. And that is it. This is the completed look of my spring pink and purple pastel look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am in love. I love the look so much. I always do my left eye off camera, see how I feel about it, and then I'll film my right eye. While I did my left look, I sent my mom a picture because my mom is my go-to person to always help me out if I'm stuck with a look. So I sent her a picture and I was like, something feels like it's missing. And then she goes, let's add a little bit of liner and see how you feel about that. I popped on that little bit of Lime Crime liner and it took the look to a complete different level. I love it so much. Ma, you made the right decision and really helped me out. I'm obsessed with the look now. So I'm thinking I'm going to start doing mini product reviews at the end of each video if I use a new product in that tutorial. So today I used the BH Lost in Los Angeles palette and the e.l.f. Putty Primer. These are the first time I'm using them on camera today. So let me know in the comments below if you like the little mini reviews at the end and if you find them helpful. So first is the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer and the shade White. I wanted to create a base that was really nice and intense and make the shadows pop, so a white base would make those shadows become more vibrant and brighter, so that's why I used this one. And I have to say I'm not the biggest fan. The shadows look amazing and applied so nicely over top, but it was really difficult to apply. It's really dry and I kind of had to go back in and keep applying, so I'm kind of surprised because the Poreless Putty Primer that I use on my face is so smooth and goes on so nice and like a dream, so I was kind of surprised about this. If you guys have any other ways that you like to use it, let me know because I don't know how I feel about it. And then going into the Lost in Los Angeles palette, I'm going to show you the inside once again because look at this. This is a spring and summer dream palette. I feel like I'm going to constantly be going back to this palette. I love it so much. The shadows are so pigmented. I had no fallout. I was so surprised. I thought I was going to have a lot of fallout and I was getting nervous. God, my cheeks are going to be purple and pink, but zero. But amazing. Love this palette. Get it if you guys are looking for a spring and summer palette with lots of color and pastel colors. Ugh, am loving this. So that's it for the review, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That'll be down in the description box, along with all the products that I use and brushes will be listed down below for you to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!